Hello everyone. Today I read a report in Dainik Bhaskar about 3 different flight cases involving young children. पहले तो आप वीडियो के साथ बने रहना क्योंकि ये आपके बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन है. I am not reading newspaper only. Anyways, case 1, year 2022. In 2022, a young child reportedly developed severe breathing distress during a flight and could not survive. Case 2, 2023. Another child faced complication linked to sudden air pressure changes during travel. And again 2023 साल 2023 में एक और मामला सामने आया जहां फ्लाइट के दौरान अचानक तबीयत बिगड़ने से छोटे बच्चे की स्थिति गंभीर हो गई. So recently, different news reports in 2022 and 23 mention cases where young children face serious breathing or ear-related complications during flight. Now, let me ask you, is this just a news headline or is this connected to your class 10 biology syllabus? Let's reconnect it. In class 10 biology, we have discussed structure of the ear, eardrum, and eustachian tube. Now, what is eustachian tube? Eustachian tube is a tube which connects throat, middle ear with throat. So, during takeoff and landing, air pressure changes rapidly. In adults, the eustachian tube open easily and balance the pressure, while in small children, it is shorter and narrower, so pressure does not equalize properly, which results in ear pain, pressure sensation, temporary hearing disturbance, in rare cases, breathing stress also. So, doctors often recommend feeding babies during takeoff and landing. Why? Because swallowing opens the eustachian tube and balances the pressure. Now, let's discuss how this is relevant in your board examination. In your board examination, eustachian tube could be asked on the basis of location, on the basis of function, and on the basis of different kind of the case studies. So what is the location? It is located between the throat and the middle ear. What is the function? It equalizes the air pressure on either side of tympanic membrane. आप यदि इसमें सिर्फ ये लिखते हैं कि इट इक्वलाइज द एयर प्रेशर, देन द आंसर इज इनकम्प्लीट. हमें नहीं पता किस प्रेशर की बात कर रहे हैं. इट इक्वलाइज द एयर प्रेशर ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द टिम्पैनिक मेम्ब्रेन. सो टेल मी, बायोलॉजी सिर्फ एग्जाम के लिए है या